Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader on XO. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro, Dollar, Euro, USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 1 hour chart of Euro, USD, and as we all know that we saw a huge spike, huge upside on the chart of Euro, USD right after the CPI data. We saw extreme buying on Euro USD, GBP USD, gold, and we saw a heavy fall on the chart of DXY. As you can see here, dollar week after soft US inflation data focus switches to Fed, that is FOMC tonight. For me, it's tonight, but yes, FOMC will be very important here. You can see here it's 12:30 a.m. for me in India. Okay, for you the time will be obviously different. So the US dollar struggled to gain foothold on Wednesday after a sharp dive overnight on cooler than expected inflation data, which fueled expectations that the Federal Reserve will chart a moderate rate hike path later in the day. After delivering 4 consecutive 75 basis point hike, the US Central Bank is widely expected to increase interest rate by 50 basis points as it concludes its two-day meeting on Wednesday. So, the whole world is expecting that Fed will increase interest rate by 75 basis points. Okay, because the inflation is cooling off. Otherwise, Fed was extremely aggressive throughout the 2022, but right now we can see that somewhere down the line, okay, inflation is softening. So things are a little bit heading towards positivity. So let's wait and watch. Okay, but my dear friend, please be careful because yesterday millions of traders were trapped on buy positions at the top of the chart. Okay, if you look at the chart of Euro USD, then you can see that when market was trying to go up, okay, many thousands of traders took buy position somewhere around here, and they are trapped right now. They are waiting for the FOMC. In fact, if you look at a chart of gold also, we saw a similar position. Millions of traders took buy position somewhere around here, and they are trapped right now because after this up move we saw immediate correction, and as a result many traders are trapped right now. So if you also belong to the same league, if you're also trapped right now, then yes, apart from waiting, there is no other option, because after this extreme volatility, after this extreme up move, more or less the market will remain silent throughout the day, because volatility switches in the market always move from high volatility to lower volatility and lower volatility to higher volatility. So if you have observed Euro USD yesterday during the CPI news, the surprising factor was that after this big green candle, market was struggling to cross the trend line. With those who observed the live market, then probably you have also noticed the same thing. The market was struggling very much to cross the trend line, and ultimately after some upside we saw market correcting, and market is inside the big wedge pattern that we have been talking for the last couple of days. Okay, so things are not very beautiful right now. Before FOMC, okay, before FOMC, do not take any position somewhere around here, because right now we don't have any clarity about the picture of the market, because yesterday we saw market failing to cross the trend line at the top, which was acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. Yes, the move was big, it was a big move, but market failed to cross the resistance. That you must understand. So as a result, no need to take any position right now. If you have already any open position, then be on the trade, no need to exit, because we don't know what will happen to the market during FOMC. But as of now, we don't have any clear picture, so please do not open any position in the market right now. Before FOMC, if you see market coming down to 1.0590, 1.0595 level, observe the market and see. There's a good possibility then market will take support, because in this ongoing volatility, market should take some support, because right now we can see indecision going on in a market right now. Indecision signifies number of buyers and sellers are almost equal. So as a result, we can expect that if market comes also, market should take support around 1.0590, 1.0595 level. If market takes support and bounces, you can consider taking a buy position. And similarly, during the day or before FOMC, if market goes up also, do not enter into a buy position, because that can be a trap as well. As we can see, indecision going on in the market right now, so it may also lead to false breakout. For a proper breakout, we need volume, and before FOMC, I don't think so we will have that kind of volume. Okay, so please be careful, especially during the Asian session and European session. If market goes up also, observe the market around the yesterday's high, around 1.0670. Observe the market around this level. Okay, if you see the market is reversing, you can take a sell position with proper caution, proper risk management. If market reverses from 1.0670, you can go for a sell position, because before FOMC, I don't think so we will have that kind of crazy move in the market that will lead to a big breakout. Okay, so before FOMC, if market reverses from the resistance at the top, you can go for a sell. If market comes to support and bounces, you can go for a sell as well. But in between, as long as market is trading here in the middle of the chart, please try to avoid taking any. After all, it's your hard-earned money. It's your responsibility to protect it. And the reason behind considering 1.0590 is that we have Fibonacci 50% retracement level here. And if you're wondering why I'm considering this particular setup only, because as per the thumb rule, okay, we should be considering this also, isn't it? This is something, okay, this is something that I have developed in my trading journey. Okay, because I backtest the data and I simply use it. So I think 1.0590 has the potential to act as support during the day. And in case market starts falling, okay, then I think after FOMC, then 1.0550 has the potential to act as support because of the 200 moving average coming up. So around 1.0500, I think market will take some support after FOMC if Euro USD shows a downside. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then yes, after this huge fall on DXY, we can see that right now market is trying to recover, but this recovery is not very strong. We will only get a clear picture after FOMC. I don't think so market will be showing an extreme up move, and it will be moving towards the previous resistance of 105.50. I think market will stay somewhere around here only, around 104.50 level. Okay. And in case market starts falling, then yes, the yesterday's low of 103.60 will play as the support right now. Again, I'll repeat one thing, on the chart of DXY, we do not have any immediate support right now. Okay, so please please trade accordingly. And as I always say, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well, so please do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Bye bye, take care.